We'll guide you through how to round edges in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Click New Project to start a new editing project and open the Project Setup window. In the Project Name field, type the name of your project or file, for example, how to round edges in Premiere Pro, so it is easy to identify later. After naming the project, choose the file location where you want to save the project on your computer so that all project files remain organized in one place. Once everything is ready, click Create to open the project workspace and access the Premiere Pro editing interface. Next, click File on the top menu to begin importing the media you want to edit. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Import to open the file browser window. Choose the media file you want to use in the project, then click Open to import it into Premiere Pro. After the file appears in the project panel, drag the media clip from the project panel onto the timeline to create a new sequence or place the clip into an existing one. This clip will serve as the base footage for applying the rounded edge effect. Once the clip is positioned on the timeline, go to the Effects panel, which contains various video effects that you can apply to your footage. In the search bar located at the top of the Effects panel, type Roughen Edges to quickly locate the effect. When the Roughen Edges effect appears in the search results, drag the Roughen Edges effect onto the video layer in the timeline to apply it to the selected clip. After applying the effect, go to the Effect Controls panel, where you can modify the settings of the effect to achieve the desired appearance. Scroll down through the available controls until you find the Roughen Edges section. In this section, locate the edge type setting and change the option from roughen to cut, so the edges appear cleaner and more controlled. Next, adjust the fractal influence value according to your needs. For example, set it to 0 to remove the irregular distortion effect. Then adjust the edge sharpness value according to your needs. For example, set it to 10 to define the edges more clearly. Adjust the border value according to your preference to control how rounded the edges of the video appear.